Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Faiza Rizwan from APSEC 7 Streams, Quetta. Today we are going to complete the chapter 3 and exercises from Moby Dick. You can find these exercises on page 72. First question is comprehension. Read the following statements. In each box write T if the sentence is true and F if it is false. Number 1 is each mate was responsible for 2 whale boats. Second, Ishmael admired Captain Ahab for his courage. Number 3, Captain Ahab gathered the crew in order to make an announcement. Number 4, Captain Ahab wanted to kill Moby Dick for its oil. Number 5, Starbuck did not agree with Captain Ahab. Number 6, there was a reward for the person who spotted Moby Dick first. You have to complete it and then come to question number 2. Read chapter 3 and match the 2 halves of the sentences. Now the sentences are in 2 pieces and you have to make one complete sentence. One morning, Captain Ahab. Now you have to find out the correct option and you have to do it as with Moby Dick, Captain Ahab, Ishmael, and after the announcement. Come to question 3 now. Now this is a vocabulary question. Choose A, B or C to complete the following sentences. Now you have to find one correct one. Okay. Now first one is, can you dash the difference between the 2 pictures? Options are given. One is spot, pinch, blaze. Similarly, number 2 is, my father felt great dash after he lost his fortune. Sympathy, raw, sorrow. Number 3, she had a terrible dash when she heard the unexpected news. Fit, cheekbone, suffering. Number 4, all the students must dash in the library before lunchtime. Survey, symbol, trigger. Number 5 is, he is attractive although he has a dash nose. Wrinkled, stout, crooked. 6 is, the accident left a dash on Harry's left leg. Hammer, scar, nail. Move to question 4. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of words in capital. It's a very easy question and you can do it. First one is, Sheila was filled with dash for her sister and wanted to be just like her. You have to find out the correct form for this word. Number 2, Laurie paced dash outside the doctor's office as she waited for her turn to come. Number 3, his actions prove that he is a dash person. 4, financial matters are the company's dash now. Now follow-up activities are here and we have to discuss all the questions given here. Question number 1 is, if you were a member of the Pequod's crew, would you agree with Captain Ahab's obsession or not? Now the question is that you are agreed or not with Captain Ahab. Question number 2. What do you think about Captain Ahab's personality? Do you feel admiration for him or do you have different feelings? Do you think his range is justified. Now, first you have to think about and discuss about Ahab's personality. Then you are going to tell about that you are going to admire him or not. And the third is that what do you think about his range, that is justified or not. Question number 3 is, do you think there is any point in taking revenge, especially on an animal? What do you think? We have to take revenge or not? Number 4 is, Starbuck doesn't seem to share his captain's feelings or plans. Do you think he is right or wrong to do so? This is a very easy question and you can do it. Number 5 is, do you think it will be easy for the men on the Pequod to find the white whale? Do you think Captain Ahab's plan will be helpful in the quest? Now you have to tell that what will be going next about the Pequod and about the white whales and Captain Ahab's plan. Question number 6. This is a very important question and you are going to complete it and you are going to write it on copies. That is, imagine that you are Captain Ahab and describe how you lost your leg and how you feel about Moby Dick. Describe in details your feelings and your intentions toward him. You are going to write about yourself, your feelings, and the word limit is 120 to 140. Now your homework is, you have to write down summary of the chapter and question 6 on your copies. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.